Let's start off with the entry level of the Sennheiser shotgun solutions, the MKE 400. It is rugged, compact, and it's versatile. It is a small shotgun microphone for any camera with a hot shoe mount and an external microphone input. The MKE 400 comes with a supercardioid capsule to deliver a nice and real directivity. The frequency response of the microphone is optimized for voices and speech. The microphone comes with a foam windshield and has a shock mount for handling noise reduction. The 3.5 jack cable fits all common DSLR cameras, and since it is fairly short, the MKE 400 picks up great sound but doesn't stick out in front of your lens.
If you have a little rig to put it on, you could use the MKE 400 with your smartphone. But as a standard, it's mounted on the hot shoe of a DSLR.
If you want to record dialogues and speech, the MKE 400 is your choice. Vloggers use it for single-shot filmmaking. Also, hobby filmmakers use the MKE 400 to take their holiday films to the next level.
The MKE 400 replaces the integrated microphone of your DSLR with a directivity that matches the angle of your camera. It reduces ambient noise, and price-wise, the MKE 400 is aiming for beginners or amateur filmmakers.
Even though it is small, it offers great sound. It comes with a switchable sensitivity, a low-cut filter which reduces wind noise and other disturbing noises in the low-frequency zone, and it comes in a rugged all-metal housing.
You could say that a constant show of the LED light on the microphone could reassure you a little bit more. Right now, it only blinks whenever you turn it on, and it warns you whenever you're running low on battery. But the reason for that is to improve battery life and to improve recording hours. Right now, the microphone runs about 300 hours on one single AAA battery.
If you want, as an extra, you could get a package that comes with a windshield or a dead cat for this microphone. And the package comes with an XLR adapter to connect it to professional cameras.
Okay, now let's see what the MKE 400 has to offer when it comes to sound. While I'm talking to this DSLR camera, you hear the internal microphone. You hear ambient noise, you hear reverberation. So, let's switch to the MKE 400 and let's listen to what it sounds like. It's the same device, same camera, different microphone. You hear the difference? That's a lot better. Now, keep in mind, there is a sensitivity switch on the microphone, and as every camera takes a different sensitivity, you'll have to figure out which sensitivity you should choose on your MKE 400. Now, if you listen closely, you can hear that we're on a farm, and that the farm is still active, and you can hear that Farmer Philip is actually feeding his cows. You hear that? There is a low-cut filter on this microphone. A low-cut filter, a wind filter, and if we activate that, let's listen to the difference now. You see? It's a lot better. Okay, so this is what the MKE 400 sounds like. Let's compare it one more time with the internal microphone. Let's see, that's this one. Internal microphone. You hear the difference? I rest my case. Let's stick to the 400.
As the MKE 400 is a supercardioid, it rejects sound coming from the sides of the microphone, and it focuses on what is right in front and right behind the microphone.
Have you noticed? While we listen to the internal microphone and I touch the camera, there's a lot of noise. There's a lot of handling noise. But if we do that with the MK400, that's a lot better, isn't it? That's because of the shock mount on this microphone. That's pretty cool.